Subscribe to BellTech.
Perfect, 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 perfect. What up, Dope Dev fam? It's your boy Dope Dev out here with another video. I just want to come and make a quick little video for you guys. I'll give you guys a little update on the truck. Obviously next weekend, that April 9th, Easy show here in Horse Pass Raceway. AZ Desert Showdown. Make sure you guys come through. I will have some stickers and decals for sale, guys. If my merch finally came in, so if you guys are interested in anything, you know where to DM me. Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, all my social medias will be down in the description below. But let me show you guys what I got. So we got some Dope Builds decals. If you guys don't know, Dope Builds is going to be my brand. That's also an IG page where I show you guys his trucks and videos. So if you guys have any dope pictures and sick videos, make sure to tag me at Dope Builds, and I will make sure to share your videos and pictures, guys. And then we got some pins with the Dope Def logo for YouTube, and we got some stickers for sure. Just for a reference, these are the old stickers, and see how much bigger the new ones are. So hell yeah, if you guys are interested, the stickers and decals will be $10 each. The pins will be at $20 just because they're a limited quantity. So make sure to get your orders in, guys. Thank you for the support. Let's go check out the truck and see what's new. Just another quick note for the decals. It's 2 colors and 2 different fonts. There's going to be the white color, and then there's another one that's going to be like a brownish. So the brownish is like this one. That's what the brown one looks like. Kind of matches the color of my truck. That's why I did that brown. But here's a little update of what I did to my truck, guys. That's what happens when you get bored and you have spray paint. So pretty much, I just spray painted Dope Def with the little YouTube logo, a little sad face. Because if you guys don't know or haven't watched the video yet, I did get crashed on this side. Fucking insurance is still slacking on that. So since I am taking the truck to the show, you know, I went ahead and spray painted my Dope Def logo on there. That way I can catch some attention at the show. Shout out to the homie Celestino. He came through and we actually got new wheel hubs on both sides, because this wheel hub ended up breaking on the freeway a couple of weeks ago. Shout out to the homie Sideways King Towing. He was able to tow me home, so thank God for that. And then shout out to my fabricator at Dan Fab. I'm gonna get a little decal to represent him. He went ahead and redid my 3-link. My 3-link actually snapped. I guess we say where it connects. I'll post some pictures and videos of what I mean, but the 3-link snapped. I think it might have been from the crash, from when it hit me. I think it might have bent the 3-link or something. I don't know, but the 3-link snapped on me. So shout out my fabricator Dan Fab. He got down and made me a new 3-link. So now the truck's working. But the funny part is, so that weekend he brought the truck to me because he had finished redoing the 3-link. That same day when I drove it home is when my wheel hub gave out on the freeway. So the truck has been down for a minute. That's why I didn't make it to the last show, which was Arizona Truck Invasion. That was the reason I didn't make it, because the wheel hub. It would have made it, but the wheel hub broke, and it was the day before the show. So, you know, I said, fuck it, let's just go without the truck. I'm not gonna stress over it. But I mean, the truck's ready to go now, guys. Obviously it's not in perfect condition because of the crash, but you know, she's running, she's working. So yeah, what else? Oh, I did finish the interior. well, not finished, but I got the new door panels in, guys. These are the electric door panels that come with the, you know, I guess not the work trucks, because the work trucks have the manual ones. Obviously I don't have the switches. I do have the switches, but I didn't put them on because if you guys know, my switches for my windows are right here in the middle. So there's no reason to have extra switches. So I think what I might end up doing is getting this like fiberglass or something and just cover it up so there's no holes. But yeah, we'll see that. I really like the color combo I went with the black and the tan. Really lets these Escalade door handles pop. But yeah, next thing would be the seats. I want to get these reupholstered, and then obviously these pillars and the back piece, the floor piece. I do want to get a carpet for it since the floor is vinyl. So if you guys know anybody who sells carpets for these types of trucks, let me know. I also got to do these in the tan. But yeah, she's getting there, guys. I mean, the door panels are a big difference. As you can tell, it looks way better. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Just a little quick update video. And like I said, make sure to cop the merch, stickers, decals, $10 each, and the little truck pins will be at 20. Those are limited edition, so make sure to copy yours, guys, because they're gonna go quick. And shipping is free for out of state, and if you live here in Arizona, we can meet up. Just let me know. But yeah, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Subscribe to Dope Dust.
Perfect.